Hi, I'm Sohee, an online Korean teacher who makes learning Korean fun and easier for you. Today we are going to a cafe in Yeonnam-dong, Hongdae, and we are going to learn some Korean phrases and vocabulary in which you can use in a cafe. We are also going to go through a real-life conversation taking place in the cafe with the staff, so listen carefully and try to understand what's being said. I'll also provide you the transcript, so you're going to learn everything that you need to know. In this cafe, they provide 6 flavors of cakes for you to choose. The first one is choco banana, is the chocolate banana. The second one is osusu, corn. The third one is hongshi, persimmon. And they also have pat injeolmi. Pat means red bean, and injeolmi is the chewy dog that you can eat. And they also have 딸기, 딸기's strawberry, that's the seasonal menu, as well as chestnut, palm. We are going to dive deeper into the ingredients later on in the video. Before we start, I'd appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. In the recording, I'll also put the menu from the cafe on the side so you can see exactly what we are ordering.
옥수수랑 초코바나나.
옥수수 하나, 초코바나나 하나
예.
드릴까요?
음료 할까?
딸기 라떼 어때요? 라떼 따뜻한.
딸기 라떼는.
딸기 라떼는 아이스만 가는.
아이스만 가는.
나는 딸기 라떼요. 딸기 라떼랑 옥수수랑 초코바나나. 저희 지금 1인 1음료여서 드시고 싶으면 음료 한 잔만 더 주면.
그러면 티로 먹을까? 하이랜드 요금.
다즈링 드릴까요?
따뜻한 걸로 주세요.
따뜻하게요. 3,500원 결제 드렸어요. 영수증 드릴까요?
아니야.
가져다 드릴게요.
영수증.
챙겨드릴까요?
예.
Did you understand most of the conversation? Bravo if you did. And now we are going to learn the ingredients that they make the pie. So for each pie that you have ordered, they do give you a card. So I just thought, wow, this is a perfect opportunity for us to learn some Korean words. First, let's start with choco banana. I'll start from the top to the bottom for the ingredients. On top, we have banana, custard, banana jam, and banana again. Ganache, that is ganache, and that is like chocolate mixed with some cream. And at the bottom, we do have paiji, that's the pie crust. 진한 가나슈와 바나나의 짙은 풍미와 맛으로 가득 찬 묵직한 식감의 디저트. 진하다 is an adjective meaning deep, rich, or strong. It's usually used to describe strong flavors, strong colors, or emotions. You can try to use it like as in rich coffee, 진한 커피, or maybe like a strong fragrance, 진한 향기. 짙다 is another adjective to describe deep, dark, and strong. It's kind of similar to 진하다, but then it's often used for colors or taste. So maybe like deep green, it will be like 짙은 초록색, or a strong scent, it will be 짙은 향. I think most of you know the word 맛, which stands for taste or flavor. So you can say 맛있어요, delicious, or 맛이 좀 달달해요. The taste is kind of sweet. But if you want to describe like a deeper or like a full-bodied taste, you can use this word instead. 풍미. For example, 풍미가 깊다. The flavor is deep. It's usually used to describe it when the taste of something is rich or complex and has multiple layers of flavor, like this pie. 묵직하다 means dense, heavy, or weighty. You can use it to describe a physically dense texture. You can use it like 묵직한 빵, dense bread, or even like a heavy atmosphere. So it's like 묵직한 분위기, serious atmosphere. You can even use it to describe a man, 묵직한 남자. So that person will kind of give you this feeling that you can rely on him and that he is quite serious. 식감, the texture of food. So for example, crispy texture, you can say 바삭한 식감, or soft texture, 부드러운 식감. A grammar pattern that you can remember is noun 1, 으로 or 로, 가득 찬, noun 2. Basically, it means noun 2 is filled with noun 1. For example, 사랑으로 가득 찬 집, a home that's filled with love. In our example, it means a dense textured dessert filled with the rich flavor and the deep taste of intense ganache and banana. Next, we have 옥수수. The ingredients include 옥수수, corn, 옥수수 cream, corn cream, and another layer of 옥수수, and then custard, also custard, oatmeal, and another 옥수수 cream, 파이지, also you have the pie crust, 누릇하게 구워진 옥수수와 크리스피한 오트밀이 어우러진 한 끼 식사 같은 디저트. First, we have an adjective, 누릇하다. We can use it to describe some food that is baked or cooked slowly to perfection. It's usually of the color golden brown when describing food. 구워진 is derived from 굽다, which is a verb to bake, to roast, or to grill. So you can basically use it for like bread, cake, or pies. Another adjective, crispy하다. So that is an English word that's crispy. So you can basically describe it with maybe some chips or things that's like crispy. 어우러지다. That means to blend well, or something and something are in harmony. 한 끼 식사 is like a full meal. The English translation will be a dessert that's like a full meal where slowly baked corn and crispy oatmeal come together in harmony. Some more vocabularies for you to use in a cafe. So when you're ordering, you look at the menu, and that's menu. And then if you don't know what to order, you can ask for recommendations. 추천해주세요. Please recommend. And the ordering itself is 주문. For drinks, you can usually choose between the warm one and the cold one. Warm, 따뜻하다. Cold, 차갑다. If you want a warm one, then you can say 따뜻한 거 주세요. For a cold one, you can say 차가운 거 주세요. Sometimes you may have the option to add on something. So if you want more of that something, then you can say that something 추가해 주세요. 추가 means to add. And alternatively, if you do not want something, you can say 빼다. 빼다 is to remove. Something, 빼주세요. Please take it out. So now for payment, 결제, there are usually just two methods that you can do. First will be 카드 결제, using card. And the other one will be 현금, which means like cash. After confirming the price, 가격, you choose your payment method. 카드로 결제할게요. I'll pay with card. Or 현금으로 결제할게요. I'll pay with cash. Watch this playlist if you want to learn more useful Korean words and phrases. See you there!